Cartel's attorney, and joins us now with more on how he plans to make his case. Lisa.
Well, Stephen, Natasha, the stakes could not be higher for incarcerated Jamaican dancehall star Vybz Kartel. He's been behind bars for more than a decade on a murder he claims he did not commit. This week, the highest court in the UK is considering whether he stays locked down for life or goes free. After a lengthy process, the Privy Council in London is taking on the appeal of Adidja Palmer, better known as international music star Vybz Kartel, and his 3 co-defendants. They've been behind bars since 2011 for the murder of Clive Lizard Williams and were convicted in 2014. Since then, they've claimed they did not do it and that they were found guilty under a flawed prosecution.
The Court of Appeal in Jamaica, they prepared 3 particular questions for the board to consider. It concerns the telecommunications evidence, jury management issues, and an additional one for jury retirement.
We exclusively reported some of the findings of a British forensic expert that reviewed the case, and they raised serious questions about phone evidence, among other issues, during the 65-day trial.
So it is our position that with all those things combined, there was a miscarriage of justice and the Charter of Rights would have been breached, right to privacy and fair trial.
Another issue was timing. Attorney Buchanan filed an expedited hearing given Vybz Kartel's health issues, which include Graves' disease and a heart condition. We spoke exclusively with Cartel's son, Adidja Palmer, known as Little Vybz, about 8 months ago when the family fought to get him basic sanitary conditions and access to doctors for him as he awaited his appeal.
It weighs on my heart very heavy, and I think about it a lot, but honestly, we just have to stay strong.
Attorney Buchanan visited Cartel in prison before leaving for London and says he's hopeful and despite everything still has faith in the court system and that justice will prevail.
In terms of Mr. Palmer, he's hanging in there in terms of, at best, both the private physician and the physicians from the government. They are doing their best with the reality in terms of how best to manage his treatment.
Now, the Privy Council hearing is happening on Wednesday and Thursday in London and is being live streamed on their website, but no decision is expected immediately. It typically takes 2 to 3 months before they render their decision. But
No Nation at it again once more with another dancehall update. You don't know it's all about Vybz Kartel, the dancehall extraordinaire. I'll basically come to talk about a few statements that were made by his lawyer, Isaac Buchanan, on a recent press release. You see me, I say we'll come talk about it. But before we get into it, remember to like the video and get the notification bell, people, so you can be notified when I drop new videos. You see me? Alright, watch what I go on now. Seeing? You don't know Lisa Evers now. Seeing, people, she has been covering this whole story for the past 4 years from 2020. You see me, I say, people, and she has stand with Vybz Kartel through the whole process, yes, I say, and gave Vybz Kartel a chance to really speak his mind and let everybody know how he feels about this whole scenario. Yes, I say, so big up Lisa Evers first and foremost. Yes, I say, Isaac Buchanan, trust and believe me, this brother here, he's going to lead Vybz Kartel to victory. May I tell you? And to be honest, Gaza Nation, I'm not even nervous. A lot of people are nervous and anxious. But I'm not nervous because me know truthfully say Vybz Kartel is innocent and Vybz Kartel will walk free. So Gaza Nation, there is no need to be nervous. No need to be nervous because Gaza will prevail. You know what I mean? Vybz Kartel and his co-accused, you see me, I say they will all be free. You see me, I say, people, trust and believe that. Freedom Street for Addy. See? Now make we get into the main thing we come to talk about, which is this press release from Isaac Buchanan. So me I say, no, you don't know. Man, Lisa Evers have an understanding, and he was basically explaining to her that, yes, so me I say there were quite a few mishaps in the whole trial. There was actually a mistrial because trust and believe me, I'm sorry. There were so many hiccups in the trial. So many hiccups. So many hiccups. So many red flags was in that trial, people. And it is evident. One, the phone was tampered with. That should have never gone in the first place. Remember, when I try to lock with this brother here, when I try on best to prosecute this brother here, say this brother here murder somebody, right? So that phone is crucial evidence that should have locked away by itself when nobody not even have access to it. But yet still, the phone was being used by police officers. The phone was being a freelance phone for everybody at that police station. Nobody not talk about that. That is why Isaac Buchanan present that to the Privy Council, you know. The telecommunications data, you know. You see what I say? His right to privacy was totally gone. His right to his privacy was gone. Them take it from him because they went through the phone, they sent messages, they made phone calls off of the phone and such delight. So that's a major red flag. You know what I mean? And then when I really check the levels, Vybz Kartel's trial was totally one-sided. It was one-sided. It was clear and evident that they were going to sentence Vybz Kartel. Vybz Kartel would have never walked. They were going to give him that guilty verdict because that was their major plan. That was their major plan. You know what I mean? But trust and believe me, people, me know say, you see, when time a youth great, that is the fight where them are going to actually get. Whenever time a youth great, them are going to get a major fight. Alright. When you hear in one part of the press release, when you hear Isaac said that the physicians, the doctors, the private doctors and the doctors provided by the government are trying their utmost best. Not even trying, they're doing their utmost best to keep his health on a level. So, you know, say what going on now, even the state provide doctors for him. He has his own doctors, but the state itself, which is the government, they provided doctors for Vybz Kartel. Because Vybz Kartel's grave disease is a serious situation. So with his health condition being a serious situation, them have to provide doctors. So him have him own doctors and him have doctors on standby from the government. You know what I mean? Trust and believe me, people. I just want to listen to me thoroughly, yo. Vybz Kartel is innocent. Seen? GPS data time show that Vybz Kartel was not even in Havendale. Vybz Kartel was at the St. Andrews Memorial Hospital nursing injuries from a dog bite. And the same brother where accompanied Vybz Kartel was what they call the person now, the star witness in his trial. And at one point, before the trial even started, he was basically stating out that the police them are threatening him. And I tell him what he say in the court. Or I tell him what he say in a court when a court time. So everybody said this thing was a plan thing. Oh, you just kill my friend and me accompany you to hospital and you just kill my friend. Looking at where me I try to send people. Look in it. Nonsense. You can't just kill my friend and then me I go accompany you go to hospital for dog bite. It don't make no sense. So this thing was plotted out and planned by the bigger heads or whomever. And them plot that and put that in the youth head and tell the youth say you need to say this and say that, say this and say that. That's why you see Sean Storm is a real youth because they may not try them best to set aside Sean Storm and Vybz Kartel and I try to pollute Sean Storm mind. Like them want to say, yo, say a Cartel do it. Sean Storm knows a Vybz Kartel and him say Vybz Kartel and Sean Storm had nothing to do with any murder. Nothing like that. Nothing like that. This was all a plan and them just plan it up. Get this brother your name, we are way more name, full up him made a one bag of things, start to threaten him, start to use because this is it, intimidation tactics. So this brother you go up on the stand and go basically say him see Cartel and the youth them murder Clive Williams, which nothing no go so. Because you can't just say a man murder somebody for you and you got accompany that man go to hospital. Oh, that makes sense. The phone evidence get tampered with. The GPS data time shows the Cartel was not at Havendale at that appointed time. Yo, brother, you don't see what I try to do, brother. You don't try to pin something upon this brother, yeah, and it now go stick. That's why the man maintain him innocence over the years. Because the man say, yo, what is? Oh, them brother, yeah, does affiliate this against me. How them a push them energy against me because what them want take the man off of the street because them have the man as done. Remember me telling you, people. Remember me telling you, all of them people that out there we are talking about, oh, Cartel for dead at prison, Cartel for stay away him there. When I go shock, when the mouth I go touch the ground, bodoof, when you know see say, the man win the Privy Council. Because he appealed it in 2020 out here, and the man not get no justice. And at the end of the day, the man still believe. You hear what the man, you hear what Isaac Buchanan say? Cartel still believing in the justice system. Same way say, it will prevail in his favor. So the man now badger them, even though them bring him down and tear him down. The man now badger them, the man now beat them. The man has allowed them. Because anytime now, we are going to see Vybz Kartel on a stage. Soon and very soon. So I say, people, I want to know, say, I have a little thing right now. Say, the appeal hearing in London will be live streamed, people. You see me I say, on their website, which is jcpc.uk. You know, go to the website and look for this section marked court sittings. You see me I say, and just, you see me I say, click on that, and you know, we see all of the court sittings. You see me I say, but me go up on it, and me see say, for this week alone, I just Vybz Kartel case I go on. Tomorrow, Wednesday and Thursday. No more sittings now go on for this week. I just Vybz Kartel case I go be presented to the Privy Council this week. So no case yesterday, no case today, case tomorrow and Thursday, no case Friday. And that one single case for this week will be Vybz Kartel and his co-accused. So it is basically surrounded. You see me I say surrounded around. This week is basically surrounded by Vybz Kartel and his, you see me I say, Privy Council trial. So them are gonna get time to really look into things deeply and thoroughly. And trust and believe me, these justices, they will realize that this brother here was wrongfully tried, wrongfully sentenced. So them are gonna lift that sentence there. You understand? They're going to lift that sentence. So Gaza Nation, I don't want to now get too nervous. Because I see somebody post up something and I say, boy, I feel nervous. Don't feel nervous, man. You think world boss nervous? World boss not nervous. Because world boss knows say, oh, me never kill nobody, you know, chance time, never kill nobody, you know. None of you them but them lock up with me, not kill nobody, you know. So we now have to fret, you know, because we know in ourselves, so we innocent. Yeah, man, so as me say, nation, no need to be nervous. None at all, none at all. And as a matter of fact to people, me I go provide the link for the Privy Council website in the description box. See? So you can just, because watch what I go on now, see? You have to know what I go on, you know. You have to know what I go on. It's going to be live streamed. So me I say, it is the jcpc.uk. So me I say, yeah, so you don't know, say me I go leave that link in the description box for you just click on it and go over there, go watch it, the live stream. So me I say, people, because you don't need to see this, you don't need to know what I go on, because as me I make you know, me have to update the Gaza Nation and this League Nation people them for you know exactly what I go on. You understand? Straight up. Yeah, man. So just, as me say, me I go give you no tit for tat details through the whole case. You see me I say, no look out for that. You see me I say, people, yeah, man, because as me say, me have to update, you know. I have to keep, you know, updated. Yeah. So you don't know, with that being said, this is where I'm going to end the update. If you have anything to say, feel free to leave it in the comment section. So me I say, you never can tell, probably your comment can spark a next update. Remember to watch the video, like the video, share the video, watch the playlist, like the playlist, share the playlist, and don't forget, watch the ads, people. See, as me say, I got left the link for the Privy Council website in the description box, so you can just click it and go watch the live stream. Make sure people are up early for tune in. See? Yes, until the next time and the next topic. I'm out.